Hi everyone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do our modeling from home activity. So I'm going to go through the first example with you where we've got hydrogen and oxygen reacting together to become water, a water molecule. So what I've done and what I would like you to do, so whether that's with paper or with M&Ms, or if you happen to have Play-Doh at home, so find something and I want you to create a diatomic molecule of hydrogen and a diatomic molecule of oxygen, bearing in mind, if we remember their Lewis dot structures, we've got hydrogen is a diatomic molecule with the pair of shared electrons between it, and oxygen is the diatomic molecule with the two pairs of bonding electrons in between them. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to break those bonds and we are going to produce some water. So we're going to break these covalent bonds break when we have chemical reactions take place. You've already watched that video at the beginning of the class. So I'm going to break these covalent bonds. And as I do that, I'm simply going to form the products. So I've got one oxygen molecule here and I've got molecule atom. And I've got two hydrogens and that is going to form a water molecule. Okay, so just take note here now that there is actually one remaining oxygen atom that is not bonded at the moment. So that's problematic, okay? So, which means that this chemical reaction needs more than one hydrogen molecule in order to form the water, all right? So here it is here, all right? So the second hydrogen molecule will get broken. The covalent bond in between it will get broken. And then that will come together. Remember, this is a modeling activity, so there's lots of limitations to this. That will come together to form the second water molecule. So we've got two water molecules. So if we just take it from the top, now what we know is we need more than one of the hydrogen molecules. We need two of them, okay, in order for this to be agreeing with the law of conservation of mass, okay, so the matter can't be created or destroyed. So all of the reactants are going to form all of the products. So in a perfect chemical reaction, we're going to have all of these covalent bonds break, okay, and we're going to have water molecule number one form over here, and we're going to have water molecule number two form over here, all right? And essentially what that's going to mean is that our number in front of the chemical substance is going to be what we call the coefficient. So the coefficient for hydrogen is 2, the coefficient for oxygen is 1, and the coefficient for water, the product, is 2. All right, so how would we write that in a chemical reaction? We would get rid of, just like algebra, we would get rid of the 1 in front of the oxygen, and that becomes 2 hydrogen plus 1 water molecule forms 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen molecule forms 2 water molecules. And so that is essentially what I would like you to go through, and that's just to practice that notion of the law of conservation of mass, and then that's going to lead us into balancing chemical equations. So that's how we do it. Okay, have fun. Show me your photos, by the way. So upload those photos to the Google Classroom.